Hello class, welcome to Unit 3.3B, Functions, Domain, and Range. Okay class, just a little review of what a function is. What we're looking for is for every x value, there's only one y value. So when we look at these examples below, and we look at this first ordered pair, if we are looking through our 1, 2, 3, 4, there is no repeats. So we can call that a function, basically saying every x only has one y. When you look at a table, and we look at -3, -2, -1, they're all different. So again, this would be a function. And in our last one, input is another way of saying our x values, and output is another way of saying our y values. But again, when you look at all these x values, what we're looking for is every single one of these only has one line coming out of them. So this one would also be a function. When we look at these examples below and look at our x values, we are finding a repeat. Repeat 1. So that is not a function. If you look at your table, all of them are the same. So again, that is telling us we have multiple x values, so not a function. And lastly, looking at our mapping, we have two arrows coming off of that, telling us that there are two x's. So again, not a function. Okay, the other thing we were looking at is to determine if it's a function is the vertical line test. So the vertical line test states that if a vertical line intersects the graph more than once, it is not a function. So if we are looking down through our graphs, this first one, okay, is there any spots we can draw a line? The closest looks like it's on the y-axis, but even there, it is not touching 2 points. So this one here is a function. What we're looking for is something here. Just about everywhere on this graph, if you draw that vertical line, it is going to intersect 2 points. So we have to call that one not a function. Same thing. All you're looking for is 1 point or one vertical line that goes through 2 points, and we can call that not a function. And the last one, we can kind of draw our line down through. We're just kind of scanning. Can't find anywhere that the vertical line hits 2 points. So that one is a function. Okay, take a few minutes here to work on the practice 3.3B. A few problems is practice, looking for your, multiple x's, looking for your vertical line test, and basically just state if it's a function or not a function. All right, good luck. Have a great day.